Yo, body robots. You know, see me attack right now. Open my eye full of water, dog. I tell you. Okay. Yo, I can't deal with this dog.
Blessed day viewers and subscribers, welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, somebody DM me and send me this video. So, not sure if this video is a recent incident or it happened yesterday or what. So, if it's a video that you see already, just let me know in the comment. But, cannot show most of the video in this part. I'm going to try. If you watch the video and you see what I talk about, you see. If not, link up on the WhatsApp group and I will send you the video. Alright? But let me know if this video is recent or what. I get it in my DM, so I'm going to talk about it. But there's a message there's a message to learn from this video, guys. Alright. 1. The police take up a man bus, meaning there must be some law, him break some law or him vehicle not up to date. Alright? Remember now, the police are doing duty. You say what is right is right. And that's why I will always be a different blogger. I'm not going to join a bandwagon and about, hey, burn out this, hey. I saw them text it from poor people. When you're wrong, you're wrong. When you're right, you're right. The police are doing job. Let me tell you this. There's nothing more valuable in life than your life. Let me say that again. There is nothing more valuable than your life in this life that you're living. Take away car, money, house. You see the thing when you have life, where people there in a hospital bed all over a roll of butter, that is the most precious gift God give a man. So no matter what vanity you have, it can always be replaced. But you see, your life, you only get one chance. Alright, I say that to say this now. This video now, the police are take away a man bus. Zin? And while them take away a bus now, these are the problem I have with most Jamaican people. The people them in the background are boots up the man and are go on the most way and you know, and the man take the bait and the man in front of the police and show up in and them go on the most way and you understand, and them did it and them a video and them a say, you know, them a boots like them a say police are wicked and them a take with people vehicle and whatever. That's how we get funny video. Alright, when you can watch it and get one you get from me. And you see, he said people who are boots up the man. When the wrecker come and take out the bus now, listen to the part. The man now, other people did that boots man and start shove up himself and police and chucky police. Me know you hurt bossy car, any idea that's where you earn your honest living and you understand, but rules are rules, laws are laws, I just saw you go. You understand? Me don't know how it started or why I'm taking up your vehicle. But the sad part of the video now, guys, the man take the boots in and push up the police and push down the police. And when he push down the police now, what you think the police are going to do? Tell me. A man have a license firearm for shoot. You understand? And you now are going to take on that man and shoot that man. Through the crowd of boots. The man should be police, guys. And I only hear about three connection. I know him get them there in his belly or somewhere. When you look, he said people and start plead out, Jesus Christ, blood of Jesus and something and rate. And I said, then them said people did a boots a man for touch the police and I go on the most way and look there. That's why I said Jamaican people come like them will never learn. They come like them their head piece come like, I don't know how to dissect them. Some of the time when I see some incident, man, we just move along and left it alone, man. You understand? No, where this man do. Me nah go there so bash him man or whatever, but me part of the video, I not like, have boots man and go on the most way. You can't do that, because you do that now and the man get couple in his belly now, lay down on the ground. Look like a big elderly man. You understand? He look like he's a big elderly man. I don't know what the word the name still, but one big man then. You understand? Yeah, guys, so you have to know how to do in the street. When you see certain situation, you know, allow it. Can always can get back a vehicle. No matter what. He have to just pay some money, pay a fine, pay a ticket, and then get back in vehicle. Uno boots a man now. I don't know how this incident end up. I don't know if this man DEAD. I don't know. If anybody know anything about this incident, whether it new or whether it all, let me know. But this is just a message. Jamaican, you know, wake up and stop your foolishness. On the top of foolishness. When in a certain situation, lowy. Stop boots a man when I have no gun for try fight a law enforcement. It's not going to end well. And this is the thing women I like with most Jamaicans who have a double standard. Because if I did two G-man come out there so with them big tall up, only all I want to take on yourself and go about the business. I want to see I'm blind, ear and deaf. But when it come on to law enforcement, only tend that only can always chat off on the mouth, do the most thing. And that's why enough of them don't have no respect for no. That's why enough of them don't have no respect for no. Because when the G-man them come for no quiet and no hide and on bed, if you see them in a road, I do something, on run, go and hide. But as long as law enforcement come, I do them work or whatsoever, you a boots up and you make nice, you a black road, you fi tappy. Set strength on have for the law enforcement, you have for G-man them. You see me? And that is the truth. Alright? So who vex, I just that me attack. Put a like again, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. Can't show the full incident, but you know the link up on the WhatsApp. Alright? Peace.
I sit down sharp, I sit down in our bus. Around them around this man they are too long, I get too much trouble.
Yo, bad robots. You know, see me attack right now. Open your eye full of water, dog. I tell you. Okay. Yo, I can't deal with this, dog. Can't deal with this, brother. Yo, me talk to the patil. Yo, I don't even know you, dog. See? Brethren, there are some things when you even said, dog. And I force me to go talk this over your son, me I telling you, Brother, with you, one girl stabbed up and nearly kill blood clot up on one night, about 1:30, dog. Seeing? And with that and live for reach a my yard, and there's a good look jump through one bad rocky road with a hill, brother, was steep amount, just saying, and the road not good enough. Seeing? And come on me gate, about nearly 2 o'clock in the morning, The man 2 girl, dog. I beat down my grill, girl, them I beat down my grill, And I come out, dog, and see, and I go out there. The man unresponsive in a vehicle, I have to jump in our shots to blood clot, not even underpants. I tell you, God, no. See? And rush him, I go to Port Mary Hospital, See? Because when he reach my gate and stop, he could have go new push the vehicle in a park, and knock out same place, See? I'm a rush him, I go a Port Mary Hospital, and then look after him, dog. Seeing? Your man never know, Because I not tell nobody, I want somebody me telling on a fresh fish, Seeing? Because me and fresh fish meet up a Sunday morning. It was a Sunday morning like this, Seeing? And literally the only other man me tell that just this morning. You get what I say? Big man, I tell brother, I beg on my brothers. We are beg on. Just careful upon the road, dog. Careful upon the road. We can't too careful still, but you don't know, I could try to be extra careful upon the road, brother, because this done nice. Because one of the virgin in the car, when me used to dead, I'm not sure, I 2 of them left out last night, same place over coffee piece the virgin come from, I'm a bonafide virgin like my brother that, See, me just a chat to my boy America, and I tell me, say, yes, my brother in an accident and dead. I mean, I hope on a lamb eye. Brothers, I beg on I'm weak, dog. I can't say much. Trust me. Can't say much, but weak, brother. So be careful upon the road, brother. Trust me, I'm careful. Just walk me on the yard more. Love you, my brother. Bless up on yourself.